Good morning, dear staff. So on this updated video, I'm going to show you how to install a driver to your Mac, and then which allows you to print from our school Xerox color printer. So first thing first, please go on a new tab and then type xerox.com. That's the website. Right away, you're gonna find support. On the support, you click on support and drivers. This is the easiest way, believe me. Don't go on the links that gives you a direct link to some drivers. It's gonna mess up the process. It's gonna be difficult, confusing. So after you on the support drivers, here you're gonna type the version of your printer. So it's Prime link. You type Prime, it's gonna show up. So Prime link 9070. This is our printer. Okay. You're gonna click on driver and downloads, and then you need to choose the platform you are at. To look up your platform, if you move your mouse all the way to the up left corner, click on this Apple icon, click on About This Mac. This pop-up video will show you, window will show you your version. Mine is Mac OS Tahoe. Yours could be Ventura or yours could be Sequoia. I suggest to update it to Tahoe. Okay, I'm gonna give you another video how to do that. So here I'm gonna pick my version, which is Tahoe, and then it's gonna be integrated color server. It's gonna be drivers. When you do so and click on apply, it's gonna give you only one option of driver. You're gonna click on download and install. So at this point, you can go to downloads. On the downloads, you're gonna find your download file. I downloaded it many times, so that's why I have it a lot. Sorry, and then double click on the file. Double click on the package. PKG, it's a Mac. It's a Mac file, as in Windows has exe. This is a PKG. You continue. So it's gonna require you to put your password. Okay, install. Use the password you used to log into your Mac. And you're going to proceed. Then you're going to choose a printer. So that's the important part, because there are several printers we have in the system. You have to choose the one which has an IP address of 192.168.2.107. This is the one in middle school building. This is the one in high school. We don't want to install that. We're going to install this one. Okay. And then you choose that, click on continue. And then hopefully it's going to complete the installation when you click on continue. I'm not going to do that because I already have it. So after that, another important detail to remember, you open any file that you printing. Okay, let's say this is a test page. Click on Control P. When you do so, you have to choose the printer you just recently installed. All right, it's not going to show up right away. So click on See More and then pick the one that you recently installed. So it's going to say Prime Link 9070. And then we're not done yet. So you're going to click on More Settings, scroll down, and then you have to click on Print Using System Dialog. We need to do some, change some settings. So on this pop-up video, again, window, you have to choose the printer again. Because look, that's the common mistake. People just click on print and expect it to print. No, because we have to let your Mac see, because Mac is a very has some annoying side, unfortunately. So we're gonna click on Prime here again, and then if you scroll down, you're gonna see printer options. Under printer options, you will have Xerox features. From Xerox features, we have to click on it, and then we have to choose advanced and set up your account PIN code that you use for printers. So accounting, here you see it's going to be marked saved for you. Okay, just put that 4-digit number, whatever you have, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. At this point, one final touch, you have to save this. Save current settings as preset. All right, give it a nice name that you will remember. I'm gonna say Rustam's configuration for me. You can name it anything you want as long as you remember it. Click on OK. So when you click on print, the indicator that it is going to print, there will be a little pop-up window asking you to put the pin code. You see it's already there because we saved it. You click on OK and it is going to print. All right. I'm not going to print it. I'm going to close it and then try to print another page. So again, let's say I'm going to have another page. It's going to name test 2, printing it again. Okay. As you can see, it's been picked already. You click on system dialog. You choose your printer. You choose your preset setting. And then you click on print. So you have to do this every time, unfortunately. And then you don't have to put your password because you already saved it. I hope it helps. Thank you very much.